Find an equation of the plane passing through the points of these 3 points. So the formula says xyz1, 1, -2, 1, 1, -1, -1, 7, 1, and 2, -1, 3, 1. So we need to get this determinant equal to 0. That will give the equation of the tangent plane. So now, I'm going to, how about just, R2 subtract R3, go to R3. Oh, this should be subtract. Okay, subtract. So then I have xy z1, and then 1, -2, 1, 1. And it's going to be, I'm going to subtract. So it's going to be 2 and -1 and -6 and 0. Again, so -1 and -1 and -2 and 0. And then what I'm doing here is R2 minus R4 go to R4. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So now I have 2 zeros. Okay. So now if I make that 0, okay, then let's go ahead and do it. Okay. We might as well do it here. So what I like to do here is negative, R1 minus R2 go to R1. Okay, so see what happened. So it is x minus 1, y plus 2, z minus 1, then it's going to be 0. Okay, because x minus 1, y plus 2, z minus. So it's going to be 1 negative. This one doesn't change. 1. And then it's going to be 2, -1, -6, 0, and -1, -1, -2, 0. Okay. Now I can expand about the last column, isn't it? Okay. So now, determinant is now this is 1. So 1 times -1. This is row number 2, column number 4, and then the minor of that will be x minus 1. Let me make it a little bigger. X minus 1, y plus 2, z minus 1. And then I'm going to close this out, right? So it's going to be 2, -1, -6, and -1, -1, -2. Okay. Actually, I can make it a little better now. So I'm going to, just R2 minus R3 go to, how about R3? Okay. So R1 doesn't change. Oh, by the way, I cannot do that. So this is now what? So this guy is simply 1, isn't it? Okay. So this is x minus 1, y plus 2, z minus 1, and then 2, -1, -6. And it's going to be, you're going to subtract, so it's going to be 3 and 0, and then -4. Okay. You can do it. Then now I get stuck. I cannot change anymore. Okay. So now what do? I expand about this row. Okay. So this is again 3 times, and then -1 to the. This is row number 3 column number 1, and then minor now will be y plus 2 z minus 1, and then negative 1, negative 6, and then plus, and negative 4 times negative 1, this is 6, and then minor will be x minus 1, y plus 2, 2, negative 1, okay? So now we can now finally do it. So this is 3 times negative 6 times y plus 2 minus negative 1 times z minus 1. Let me put a bracket. And then this is simply negative 4. And then negative 1 times x minus 1 subtract twice of y plus 2. Okay. Now you're going to add all this in, let equal to 0. So this is 3 times negative 6y minus 12. This is 1, so plus z minus 1 is minus 4, and then negative x plus 1 minus 2y minus 4. So this is, let me see if I can simplify a little bit more. 6y plus z minus 13 minus 4, negative x minus 2y minus 3, isn't it? So this is negative 18y plus 3z minus 39 plus 4x plus 8y plus 12 equal to 0. So now let's combine. There's a 4x. This means 4x, and then there's 18y, negative 18y and 8y, so minus 10y. Okay, so these are done. So I only have 1z expression plus 3z. Now I have negative 39 and 12. So that will be minus 27, 0. Okay. To me, well, we can say 4x minus 10y plus 3z equal, what is it, 27? Okay, can you check whether that is correct? I think that is correct, okay? So, well, I mean, as you can see, there's more than one way to do it, okay? So you should practice, okay? All right.